Today I am going to show you different experiments to show properties of air. Air is everywhere. You may be wondering that this glass is empty, but you are wrong. This glass has air in it. That's why, because the air is colorless. Air has no smell. If we are using a perfume, the scent of the perfume travels in the air and it is odorless. So this shows that air can travel colorless and it is odorless. The next property I am going to show is oxygen is needed for burning. So for this we need two candles, burning candles and a glass. I put the glass above the candle and just wait for a few seconds. You see, the candle has stopped burning because oxygen is needed. For this experiment, we need a bowl full of water and a glass. I'm gonna put this glass upside down in this bowl of water. As you can see that the water is not filling up in this glass. And just suddenly when I just fill it up a little bit, bubbles are coming out. This shows that air occupies space. For the next experiment, we need two balloons. One inflated and one deflated. I feel that this balloon is heavier than this deflated one. So this shows that air has weight. Now I'm going to fill this balloon with air. As you can see that the air has taken the shape of the balloon. And when I deflated it, it was everywhere around. I cannot see any particular shape of the air. So this shows that air doesn't have any particular shape. It is shapeless. But for the last one, I am using few gems and an eco-friendly wooden straw. So when I was sucking air from this straw, the gem automatically stuck into this pipe. This is because air exerts pressure. Thank you. Have a nice day.